25 ways to cut calories. Drink 1 cup of diet soda, instead of 1 cup of regular soda. Swap a 12 ounces glass of whole milk for skim milk. Go light on beer. Enjoy an open-faced sandwich. Eat only half of your sandwich or hamburger bun. Instead of 1 cup of prepared lemonade, try 1 cup of a sugar-free variety. Eat whole fruits. Avoid full-fat half and half in coffee. Prepare your coffee with 4 ounces of fat-free half and half, instead of regular half and half. Enjoy 5 ounces of chocolate milk instead of 5 ounces of a chocolate milkshake. Spread your whole grain waffles with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup instead of 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter. Top your whole grain bagel with 1.5 ounces of fat-free cream cheese. Trim your portions. Eat 3/4 cup oatmeal, instead of a 1-1/2 cups of oatmeal. Grab a small bagel, instead of a medium bagel. Instead of 1 ounce of tortilla chips, dip 1 cup celery into your favorite salsa or hummus. Snack on baked potato chips, instead of regular chips. Avoid candied fruit. Bake oven fries and ditch fast food fries. Say no to 1 ounce of deep-fried onion rings and instead enjoy 1 ounce grilled onion. Choose a slice of thin crust pizza over thick crust pizza. Add vegetable toppings to your pizza order and say no to pepperoni. Be smart about pasta sauce. Instead of 3 ounces of regular sour cream, use a fat-free variety. Use 2 tablespoons reduced fat light mayonnaise, instead of regular mayonnaise. Subscribe to Fitnify to watch the video on healthy swaps for mayonnaise. Are you ready to cut your calories by these methods?